Hello and welcome to the E36 front strut brace installation video. Today we're going to be installing this on the E36 that we have over there. Come follow us along and see how this installs. Here we have the Apex Engineered front strut brace that we're going to be going ahead and installing. The first thing that you want to do is go ahead and loosen and remove the coilovers from the strut tower. All right, so as you can see, Sean has loosened that side up. And you can drop the coilover on one side, it definitely makes it easier. But on this one, we're gonna go ahead and keep the coilovers on, as this chassis was relatively straight to begin with. And then you can go ahead and tighten the rest of the nuts up. So finally, you're gonna torque everything to 20 to 25 foot-pounds, or if you have coilovers, you can go ahead and torque them to the coilover specs. Now here, we've noticed that this was a relatively easy install, but if your strut tower brace is a little bit too wide or a little bit too narrow, you can try lifting the car up so it'll alleviate stress on the struts and perhaps sometimes open those up. Otherwise, you can try to put the struts under its own weight to compress the strut towers, and they might be able to get you just enough fitment to allow yours to get in. That pretty much concludes the install video on this. If you have any other questions, give us a call or shoot us an email.